Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I have been really enjoying the winter season. I have been doing what I call organized joy, and this is when I am intentional about doing joyful things, like just if it's taking a walk, or if it's just having a fun conversation on the phone, or if it's just doing anything that makes me smile, laugh, and happy and relax for the season. And so the sponsors of this video, FabFitFun, could not, their timing is impeccable because it's perfect for the time that I am in, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful way to continue my organized joy. And if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, which you probably are because I've shared them before, but if you're not familiar, they have an amazing box membership where you can get great products, but you get to choose the products. And that's something different that I love about them, because I know that I can get things that I love. And then also with FabFitFun, I know that I'm going to get introduced to something new. Every time I get a FabFitFun box, I am getting introduced to something new. So I love that. And so I want to take you through, and I want to share with you the box. And I'm also going to put my discount code on the screen for you, because you can get 20% off your winter box with a new membership sign up. So definitely take advantage of that. But now let's jump right into the box. Okay, friends, I'm so excited to jump in this box. I have my scissors ready. I will say that with your FabFit boxes, everything in the box is up to $350 in value. So that is exciting also. So you know that you're getting beautiful quality things. And so I have this beautiful green. You guys know how much I love green. It says, "So nice, it almost feels naughty." Oh, how cute is that? So nice, it almost feels naughty. So let's jump in here and see the goodies that your Nikki has here. And I will definitely put them up close also so that you can check them out. Let's see here. Oh, look at this. Oh, deals for holidays. Look at their boxes are always, their boxes in itself are an experience. I always love the FabFitFun boxes because they just do such a great job with it. Oh, I love it. And then look here, just winter 2023. A lot of detail. I love it. I love it when companies take time with their packaging to really give you an experience, especially with something that you're unboxing, because that's a part of it, right? That makes it fun. Okay, so let's look at the fun things I have here. I'm going to sit them here so you can't see them. And for me, it's great because I get to see a good bit of, there we go, products. Let's see here. Okay. So exciting for me because everything here is new to me. I'm going to be learning about a new item here. So the first thing that I have, and I feel like I need my glasses, so let's grab those. All right, now we are in business. Okay, so the first thing here is a hand cream, and I love a good hand cream. And so this one here is anti-dryness, renourishes skin, and it's Ecos. And I hope I don't butcher the names, but Ecos hand cream. And I bet you it is just yummy and so great for, the winter. Ooh, look at this. Oh, you can tell this is nice. It's beautiful. Ecos from Brazil. It says from Brazil, wait a minute, what is it? 90% natural origin. Still can't read without my glasses. With my glasses. That's pretty sad, isn't it? They're harvested sustainable communities from the Amazon region. Love that. Let's see here. Let's give it a go. And I love that they give me those full-size products. These are not samples. These are those full-size products that I really, truly can use. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, yes. Oh, that smells so nice. You can tell, you just can tell quality products. I love that. So definitely a love for me. You guys know me. I love a hand cream. Perfect, perfect. So the next here is Versed. It's called Versed. And it's a Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. And you know, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. Love that. And it says here on the back, use me if skin texture changes got you down, high fine lines, and it's time for your complexion turned over. It's time for your complexion to turn over a new leaf. Oh, let's see. Let's break into this because you know I'm all about anything to help with any fine lines at my stage in life. Oh, I love them. They got me with the packaging. That's beautiful. So, Press Restart Gentle Retinol, anti-aging skin, dullness. It helps with anti-aging, helps with dullness and problem skin. Let's see. Oh, it's nice. Let's see. I just want to feel the texture. I'll do this after I wash all my makeup off. But I just kind of want it to. I just like to feel. Oh, it is a silky feel. Just a silky. Oh, it's really silky. I like that. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. Nice. Love it, love it, love it. So next I have Dulce. I think this was, let's see. Let's pull this out here. Ooh, and so you know this is me. You know how much I love having my fragrances on the go. Let's smell it. Oh, nice. I love this. Oh, it smells so fresh. Oh, it's fresh. When you're saying yes to clean, safe formulas. We say no to over 4,000 yucky ingredients. And we think that makes you a cute, cool human. Oh, it has the list of things. Oh, this is nice. I love it. And the great thing for me also, friends, is I'm not one that stays in the stores buying beauty products or anything like that. So this is a really nice way for me to get those things. Now, this is right here. Okay, this right here, this caught my eye first off. And it is the Grande Lash MD. It is a lash serum because I have been noticing that, and it's a 3-month supply here. Wonderful. And I have been noticing that I have been getting thinning eyelashes. They just hadn't been what they used to be. And so what this says is you can get longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. 91% saw longer looking lashes. 94% saw healthier looking lashes. And so this out of everything was one of the things I remember being so excited about because I have been wanting to get something that could help with that. And I love the ease of just being able to use this in my daily routine because I'm not a big makeup girl of doing makeup. Like it takes me all of 5 minutes to do my makeup because I'm not going to, if I could get to the point where I feel comfortable not wearing it, that would probably be my ideal life. But this right here is great. This is going to be perfect because it's not anything. It's just, I can just add it into the routine. I love that. Oh, I'm so excited to try this, guys. So excited. All right, we got 2 more items. And one here. This is more of a home item. And it's a set of 3 cheese knives. Hold on, let me open up here. Because with it being holiday entertaining season, I saw these and I said, oh, this is so cute. And with my tablescape this year, I have more of the gold incorporated. You guys know I'm a chrome girl, but I do have gold this year in my tablescape. And so I thought, you know what? I need some gold cheese knives to be able to complement my tablescape this year. And when I saw these, I was so excited. They're so beautiful. Perfect. I love things that have simplicity, but they're just fabulous. And that is what I say that these are, just beautiful, Simple, beautiful, gorgeous. It's going to look so great on my cheese board, and it fits into my gold that I have incorporated. Because you guys know me over the years, I have not really incorporated a lot of gold into my decor, but love that for the holiday season. So excited about those. So excited. And that's the great thing about the FabFitFun box, is that you get a combination of things. It's not just beauty products, but you can get handbags, you can get home entertaining items, all kinds of things. So just things for your life. So I love that. And then the last one here is, I love my Laneige. Say no more. I love that brand. You guys know how much I love the lip mask, and I have several bottles of it. Oh, I love this color. This is my color here, isn't it? This is the Water Bank. It's a blue hydraulic serum. I can't wait to try this. Because this, oh, look at this, how it switches up. It switches up. I love that. Stylish. But Laneige is one of those brands. I was thinking about really trying their full line of skincare because I love the lip mask, and I just have a feeling that I'm going to love this. I can't wait to try it, but I will let you know. But friends, these are the products that I chose for my FabFitFun box, and every last one of them, it's going to be a new experience for me. So it's part of that organized joy. So I'm going to have fun enjoying these products. I hope that you all will take advantage of it. Again, I'll have my discount code on the screen here so that you can get your 20% off your new membership and with your first box. And I want to thank FabFitFun for being a part of my organized joy. I'll link them in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.